Hi everyone, so today I am just gonna share with you how I decorated our bathroom with some indoor plants that I have in here. Mostly it's a very low maintenance indoor plants. So over here I have the snake plants. This plant I got from IKEA together with the pot and then the plant stand. It's already 6 months that I have this plant and it's doing very well. And in the center, I have another type of snake plants. And I'm here. Hi. I have this snake plant here for over 5 years now, and it's just perfect here in the corner. Adds a good look with all the bath products that I have. On this side, I have the Dracaena, and then the plant stand were all from IKEA as well. Then I added two baby snake plants where I have propagated it from my other plant as well. As you see, it's starting to put a new growth. It's the sign that the spring is coming. Beside the linen basket, I have the DIY plant stand that we made, and I placed on top of it the potos. These potos I get from Home Depot. It's only $2.99 each, so I bought two and then I put it all together in one pot, and I really like how it looks like right now. I like how the plants look fuller and the vibrant color and the way it's trailing down. By adding a low maintenance indoor plants here in the bathroom, it gives a good color and a nice contrast to it. Every time I come to the bathroom, it makes me so happy that my plants are doing so well. Thank you so much for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!